Hey, it's Edge here. Today we are taking a look at technical analysis for Ethereum. I'll cover wave analysis with Elliott Wave Theory and provide targets and invalidation levels for presented accounts. Let's get going. Before jumping into Elliott Wave stuff, let's take a look at this fixed volume profile. We have the range value area high, point of control, and the range value area low, where we can see most of the price action here that has happened as a pivoting points. All of these are really clear points where we can just take a long, set stop loss down below and look for good setups. That kept in mind, we have some Elliott Wave stuff here to go through. Now this is basically the same scenario we had on the last video where I presented this WX count or WXY count. First we have 3 waves up here into W. Now we've had quite a bit of more price action here, but again we've just been ranging sideways. So I'm going to present to you a couple of different options here. This is the first one, expanding diagonal in the C wave, so A, B and C, looking for the X wave here. Minimum target for this is going to be $1,848, at which the expanding diagonal would be confirmed. Currently looking for the last leg down for Ethereum to reach these levels. Typically we would see some kind of a target here on the lower trend line, depending on of course how long this takes to come down here. If we are breaking down to around 1758, we are coming down to the areas where we would consider this whole structure of minuet count a ABC structure instead of the WXY that I've labeled here. But I'll cover this again once that happens, if that happens. Now another scenario is where we have already completed the X wave here, saying that this is W, X and Y into ABC on this structure here. At this point we would be looking for wave Y, and we would have a couple of different options here as well. We'll look into that in just a moment. Now overall, if we do get below this, where do we have it? I don't have it here. Just hold on. Okay, I'll explain it through this chart. If we reach this invalidation level of 1.618, we would need to consider something else here. So instead of this being a WXY of sub-minuet count, we could be just downgrade it to micro count here. At that point we would again have some kind of connector wave in the middle and looking for downward pressure and more downwards movement here, and that would at least have some kind of valid count if we are breaking that low. However, that is not my primary. Currently I'm still looking the fact that this could be the wave X here, so I have a couple of different areas to look up on the bullish side here. This is the first option here. That is not the most probable though. I have it labeled as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here into wave 1 of micro. This is however really unlikely, as wave 4 would have a running flat, which is on itself in a really rare flat structure, and the fact that the structure behind it or after it is so short, because running flats are only happening when the market is really trendy, meaning this structure should have gone way past the current highs here, and it would have shown some more bullishness, but instead it just dumped down, so that's why I'm not really liking this count. We also dumped straight through this 0.618 retracement for wave 2, coming around to the 85.4 area, which would again qualify it as a flat. However, I'm going to be keeping this still here until we break these lows here at around $1,900. And let's put this guy here. There we go. The other option is just having an ABC. Instead of being the 5 waves here, we can just have ABC up here, another ABC here, and then looking for 5 ways upwards. That would again get us most likely towards the minimum target for the wave Y here. The minimum target again is around $2,200 here, and at which we could be starting to look for downwards pressure if the wave count allows it. Currently though, this price action here is not really looking too impulsive. I can see that we could probably in a 1-2-1-2 scenario or some kind of diagonal here, but again that is too early to call. But I think that's all I wanted to share on Ethereum. Let me know if you have some other explanation for this count. Currently I'm still looking for higher targets for the wave 4 overall before the last dump here on crypto. But that's pretty much again what I wanted to share. There's a link into my Discord server on the description below if you want to join, or if you have a request for a coin or asset, let me know as well on the comments, so I can take a look at it. But for now, thank you for watching, and hopefully see you back on the channel soon. Bye bye.